She came to the same bakery every morning for 30 years. Always the same table, always the same seat. But one day, her table was taken.
Today, we have a cozy English story for you.
This story is for A1 and A2 English learners.
We speak slowly and clearly.
Listen carefully. You will learn new words. You will practice listening. And you will feel something warm inside.
The story is called Table 4.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Every morning, Rosa woke up at 7 o'clock.
She put on her coat, she picked up her bag, and she walked to the bakery on the corner.
The bakery was small. It was warm. It smelled like bread and coffee.
Rosa always sat at table 4.
Table 4 was near the window. She could see the street. She could see the people walking by.
Rosa liked table 4 very much.
She had sat at that table for 30 years.
First with her husband, Daniel, then alone.
Daniel had passed away 2 years ago. But Rosa still came to the bakery every morning, same time, same table.
It made her feel close to him.
One Tuesday morning, Rosa walked into the bakery.
She looked at table 4.
Someone was sitting there.
A young man. He had a laptop, he had 3 books, he had a big cup of coffee.
He looked very busy, very stressed.
Rosa stopped. She looked at her usual seat. Then she smiled quietly. She sat down at another table, table 6.
She ordered her usual, 1 small coffee and 1 piece of bread with butter.
She looked out the window. The morning sun was soft and yellow.
It's okay, she thought. Table 6 is also nice.
The young man at table 4 was typing fast. He had papers everywhere. He looked worried.
His name was Sam. Sam was 22 years old. He was a university student.
He had a big exam in 3 days. He was not sleeping well. He was not eating well.
He chose the bakery because it was quiet, and table 4 had the best light.
After 1 hour, Sam stopped typing. He looked up.
He saw the old woman sitting alone at table 6. She was looking out the window. Her hands were around her coffee cup.
She looked peaceful.
Sam started packing his bag. His books fell on the floor.
"Oh," he said.
Rosa turned around. She slowly got up.
"Let me help you," she said.
Sam looked surprised. No. It's okay, he said. I can do it.
But Rosa was already picking up the books. She put them on the table, one by one.
Thank you, Sam said. I'm sorry. I'm a little tired today.
Rosa smiled. "I can see that. Are you okay?"
Sam laughed a little. I have an exam. I'm very nervous.
Rosa nodded. "Sit down," she said. "Take a breath.
Let's stop here for a moment.
We will practice 4 words from the story.
Repeat after me.
Passed away.
Passed away. This means someone died. Passed away.
Stressed.
Stressed. This means you feel worried and tired. Stressed.
Peaceful.
Peaceful. This means calm and quiet. Peaceful.
Take a breath.
Take a breath. This means to stop and relax. Take a breath.
Well done. Now, let's continue the story.
Sam sat down. He took a breath.
Rosa sat down too. She picked up her coffee.
What is your exam? She asked.
Mathematics, Sam said.
Rosa laughed softly. Oh, that was my husband's favorite subject.
Sam looked at her. Your husband? Is he a teacher?
Rosa looked at the window. He was, she said quietly. He passed away 2 years ago.
Sam felt bad. I'm sorry, he said.
Rosa shook her head. Don't be sorry. He had a good life, a happy life.
Sam was quiet for a moment. Then he asked, "Is that why you sit at table 4? Because of him?"
Rosa looked surprised, then she smiled.
"Yes," she said. "We sat at table 4 every morning for 30 years. We drank coffee, we talked. Sometimes we said nothing. We just sat together."
Sam looked at the table, then at Rosa.
"I'm sorry I took your table today," Sam said.
Rosa shook her head. "No, you needed the light more than me today."
Sam smiled. It was the first real smile he had all week.
"I hope your exam goes well," Rosa said. She stood up slowly and put on her coat.
"Thank you," Sam said. "I feel better now. Thank you for talking to me."
Rosa patted his hand gently.
"Take a breath, Sam. You will be okay."
Sam watched her walk out of the bakery.
The next morning, Sam came back.
He sat at table 6. He left table 4 empty.
When Rosa walked in, she stopped.
She saw table 4 empty, waiting.
She looked at Sam. He was smiling at her.
Rosa walked to table 4. She sat down. She looked out the window.
"Good morning," Sam said from table 6.
"Good morning," Rosa said.
They both drank their coffee in silence.
But it was not an empty silence.
It was a warm one.
The story is finished. Now let's talk about the lesson.
Rosa lost someone she loved very much. But she kept her routine. She kept coming back.
Because some habits are not just habits. They are a way of remembering, a way of loving. Mia.
And Sam, he was stressed and tired. But one small conversation changed his whole morning.
Today's lesson is this.
Small kindness can make a big difference.
Small kindness. Big difference.
A smile, a kind word, a small gesture. These things matter more than we think.
Now it's your turn. This is shadowing practice.
Listen to each sentence, then say it out loud. Ready? She came to the same bakery every morning.
She came to the same bakery every morning.
He looked very busy, very stressed.
He looked very busy, very stressed.
Take a breath. You will be okay.
Take a breath. You will be okay.
We just sat together.
We just sat together.
Small kindness can make a big difference.
Small kindness can make a big difference.
It was not an empty silence. It was a warm one.
It was not an empty silence. It was a warm one.
Excellent. You practiced real English today.
Say these sentences again tonight before you sleep. Your listening will improve every day. That's all for today.
Did you enjoy the story?
Tell us in the comments. Do you have a favorite place you visit every morning?
And if this story made you feel something warm, please share it with a friend who is learning English.
I'm Alex.
I'm Mia.
See you next time. Keep listening. Keep learning.